Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can use Rumble. I will show you how you can upload videos, how you can fill your profile, everything here. So when you're gonna enter Rumble, the first thing that you want to do is go to top right and let's click sign in. Here you're gonna don't have a Rumble account yet. You want to click here create a Rumble account. And now you're gonna have option in the moment when you're gonna enter here. If you want to have a free account, subscribe, upload, monetize, add supported, or publisher. And when you would scroll down below, would understand as a publisher, you don't see anything here. But when you're gonna click on a publisher, on the bottom you would see Rumble ads plus video player, supported by Rumble advertisements, no ad tag integration, unlimited usage, or have a business starter package. So this is something that you would have ad-free viewing experience. So if you want to have, like, you can go even for publisher or free account. Now I will start with a free account here, and what you have to add is like password, and then you're gonna fill everything here. You would add an email and then country. Then referral and address. And then birthday. So you would fill everything here. And I agree to terms and conditions. So I would add a new email here, and then we are going to continue. So I'll add also like the passwords here. And let's test this here. And now here we are. Now we have to activate account, and we are going to get an email. And then we are going to continue. So while we're gonna get the email, you can subscribe to channels here. Monarch, Patriot Games, Russell. All of these you can subscribe, and then we're gonna activate the account. Okay, we got it verified, and what we can do here. So in a moment, the first thing I recommend is go to top right, and you're gonna have account overview. So in the account overview, you would find all, like, how much money you made. YouTube earnings, third-party Rumble earnings. Then you're gonna have stats and analytics here. So we have graphs and etc. Account options. So these are the profile settings and profile picture where you can change it. And you don't have to click here. You just listen right now and watch. And I'm going to show you what you can get here. This is something that I would recommend to have account verification, adding a number. Then you would have transactions here, payments, referrals that you have. So if you, let's say, register under me with this referral URL, you would find it right here. Then you're gonna have videos, auto syndication. So what you can do is you can easily connect to Facebook, YouTube. You can have scheduled videos, monetized videos, all the videos and all the important stuff here. Then you're gonna have the channels. So and this is where the fun begins. My subscriptions, where you would find all your subscriptions that you have. Under that you would find create channels. And here I'm going to create a channel. So let's say this is going to be Marcus Stonelius and description marketing videos, let's say. And you can simply add a thumbnail and social URLs here and press create. In the moment when you're going to create your own channel in channels, you will find it right here. You can add restrictions, you can edit it. And then what you can do is to simply add a content. So I can click here add, and I can go to top right and click upload video. So we just added the settings, and we are going to upload the video now. So right here, I'm going to click upload video and select video to upload. And let's say we're gonna have a song here. So video title, song for being calm. Then simply you would add a description of it. This is a song I made and I like it. And I hope you enjoy it. Then what you can do is to choose simply a thumbnail, or you can choose your own thumbnail and upload it, right? Then you can have the tags here. So let's say the tags can be song, epic song, etc. And then upload to Marcus, like which channel we wanted to upload that we just created. You can also, if you want, you can schedule the video. And then when you have it, press upload. Then you're gonna have the upload channel license your videos. So if you want, like I can have video management, and we're gonna have the URL here, or you have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other parties. Check here if you agree to our terms of service. You have to like sign it. And Rumble only. Who recorded a person in the video? Where, when was this recorded? And then username. And then you have to agree, or personal use. Not monetized, not searchable to all subscribers. So you can simply choose if it's going to be excluding, and you can always read about it here, what it means. And Rumble will be your exclusive. Then with the exception of YouTube.com, which is specifically excluded, you are selecting Rumble to be your exclusive worldwide perpetual agent. So you can have just video management with Rumble, or video management excluding YouTube, and Rumble only. So then when you're gonna have it, and you would fill everything here, you're gonna click submit. And then you're gonna have just right here the song, and it's uploading right now. And then what you can do is go to top and always find all the videos. So when you would come here to the top left, you can find my feed here, reuters here. Then you can also have editor picks, trending, what is trending right now, licensed videos. And what I can do, I can easily license it and pay for it. So that's something you can do, and easily license videos here. Then you can have theme as a dark mode or light mode, and that's pretty much it. And then have like all the subscribers here. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. This is an easy guide how you can use Rumble. It's nothing that really difficult. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.